Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I bought a while back, well, a couple years ago, okay, a few years ago. I am a Blythe fanatic. I'm just nuts about these Blythe dolls. I had bought this Ashton Drake. I have several Ashton Drake reproduction Blythes. This one was different because she came to me with her head off, her face sanded. I think her eyes were out. She was all apart. She is so cute. I love these Ashton Drakes. Why isn't that pulling? Oh yeah, I doubled. We did do her eyelashes and her eye chips. I left alone. I did not change those. I personally would not have done a face-up on a registered trademark Blythe. Why didn't I take her hair down and brush it? Oh, well. And I put Ashton Drake on her beads. I would not have taken an Ashton Drake Blythe apart to do a face-up on one. She came to me like that. But she came with everything. She only came with one shoe. I did save her spring, even though we took it out and did the eyes. If you have an Ashton Drake, or especially a Kinner, do not use a foot trap stand. These, let's see, they go, you put their feet in, you stretch them out and they stand over this like this. What happens is the weight of their head pulls them sideways, and that's why you see so many Kinners that are broken at their, well, I don't have to pull this up. They're broken at their pelvis. I'll put her back together later. I show you that to show you this. And by the way, if you can get your hands on an Ashton Drake, boy, the prices of those have skyrocketed since I bought them. Now if you can put your hands on one in a box, usually the Ashton Drake come in a box. If you can put your hands on one for about $250, you're doing well. I kind of watch the market on the Blythe dolls. I am a Kinner. Oh my God, I'm so in love with Kinners. Those are my Grail dolls. Oh boy, what's this? Okay, first let's open this. I'm hoping that's not more small parts. I had seen this on, I want to be really careful. These are my fancy box opening scissors. I had seen this doll on eBay. I thought she was going to go really high. It is a Takara that someone had bought to do a face-up on, to customize. And I have her name. I forgot it. I forgot her name. But I want to be really careful because there's a lot of parts and pieces. As you can see, the face is sanded just as my Ashton Drake came. Look at this. They took the eyelashes out, not lashes, eyelids out. Which means I will need eyelashes. And here is the rest, I hope. Yep, here's her parts and pieces. Now the tee is a little different than the AliExpress tees. Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, sure enough, it says, can you see that? It says Hasbro. I can't make it out. I don't have enough light. But it is Hasbro. I'm trying to see if it's Takara, but is it Takara Tomy? CWC Takara. And the head says Blythe TM Hasbro CWC. So she is an official doll. Oh, let's see what's in here. Maybe it's a thank you for buying. Anyway, I started to say, I watched this doll, and when the bid came up, I put in a really low amount. I got her for $15.50 plus shipping. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, isn't that adorable? I have never seen one like this. That's adorable. Boyd Bears. What a cute thing. It's all articulated. Well, wow, that is a bonus. I'm leaving them a great feedback. So here's my next project, probably not till, I don't know, February, March. But I'm not as intimidated. I had just started doing customs when I did this little cutie. Why did I not brush out her hair? Probably because I was going to hook her back in, but I was pretty intimidated. This was my, I don't know, 16 face up, and I gave her little freckles. I'm not as intimidated. Hope I do a good job. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.